Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel of Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below, and without further delay, let's jump right in. 10 tips on how to argue better during a conflict. Introduction. Conflicts are an inevitable part of human interactions, arising from differences in opinions, values, and interests. Whether it's a heated debate with a colleague or a disagreement with a loved one, the ability to argue effectively can significantly impact the outcomes of any conflict. Constructive arguments not only foster better understanding but also pave the way for resolutions that satisfy all parties involved. In today's fast paced and interconnected world, where communications often takes place through digital platforms, it is crucial to develop strong argumentation skills to navigate conflicts successfully. While emotions can run high during disagreements, certain techniques can help individuals maintain a level headed approach and promote a healthy dialogue. When it comes to arguing better in a conflict, it's important to focus on effective communication, empathy, and problem solving rather than winning the argument. Here are 10 tips to help you argue more effectively. Stay calm and composed. Keep your emotions in check and avoid getting defensive or aggressive. Take deep breaths and try to remain calm throughout the argument. Listen actively. Pay close attention to the other person's perspective and actively listen to what they are saying. Avoid interrupting and allow them to express their thoughts fully before responding. Use I statements. Instead of accusing or blaming the other person, use I statements to express how you feel. For example, say, I feel hurt when rather than you always make me feel hurt. Stay focused on the issue at hand. Avoid bringing up past arguments or unrelated matters. Stick to the current conflict and address it specifically. Empathize with the other person. Put yourself in their shoes and try to understand their point of view. Show empathy by acknowledging their feelings and concerns. Use constructive language. Be mindful of your words and choose them carefully. Use respectful and constructive language to express your thoughts and feelings without attacking the other person. Seek clarification. If you are unsure about something the other person said, ask for clarification instead of making assumptions. This helps avoid misunderstandings and keeps the conversation on track. Look for common ground. Identify areas of agreement or shared interest and use them as a starting point for finding a solution. Finding common ground can help build rapport and facilitate problem solving. Focus on finding solutions. Instead of getting stuck in a back and forth argument, shift the focus towards finding solutions. Brainstorm together and be open to compromise or alternative perspectives. Take breaks if needed. If the argument becomes heated or unproductive, it's okay to take a break. Step away from the situation for a while to calm down and collect your thoughts. Resume the discussion when both parties are ready to engage constructively. I hope you enjoyed this video as we wrap up this incredible journey together. Remember that the adventure doesn't end here. Keep listening to other such videos or profound insights under the Career Conversations Navigating Success playlist. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching the stars. Thank you.